Hey guys, today I have a 2011 Hyundai Sonata. As you can see in the dash, the airbag light is on still. It should be off when you turn the ignition on. After blinking it should be off, but it's on still. I'm gonna put in a scanner and scan the code for the airbag light. Let's to see what kind of code it has. Read fault code. The code has two code: B1346 driver airbag resistance to high first stage, and B1481 driver airbag resistance to high second stage. This one is present and this one is history. I think the second stage, this one is my problem. I got a new one. Actually, this one is not new one, this one is used one. We bought it. I'm gonna put it back and install it, and to see it will get the code again or no. Okay, I removed the airbag, driver airbag before. If you wanna try to remove it, there is a hole here, this one. You need to push with the screwdriver on it and release the clamp, and there is right one here, and there is one on the bottom. So the total hole, and you have to release the clamp. There are three. I removed it before. And needs to disconnect these two connector, and then you can replace it. There you go. Yellow with yellow, and the other one, I think the blue one is for the blue one. Okay, let's try. Okay guys, as you can see, I put the other airbag. We bought it before. I'm gonna to check the code. Okay, let's check the codes. SRS, enter, read fault code. So both code that we had before, both of them are history now. They are not present. I'm gonna clear it. So we don't have any code right now. You can see no trouble code. And I'm gonna check the current data for driver airbag first stage resistance and driver airbag second resistance. Let's go to see the resistance for of them. As you can see, both of them 2.7 ohms. This first resistance and the second resistance 2.6 or 2.7 ohms. That's fine. and you can see we fixed the problem. Okay. So guys, as you can see in the scanner, SRS1 and SRS2, both of them for the airbag system, they are green right now. It means everything is fine. The engine is on now, and behind the dash and the cluster we don't have any light, especially airbag light is off. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share the video with your friend. Like it please. Have a nice day. Thank you. See you later.